Hello friends, welcome back to aurabassociates. Today I will show you how we can measure angle between the lines. Suppose we have three piles and we need to know the angle between these piles. So what we can do, at first we can draw lines by using the center point of this pile. Now type MEA in keyboard and select this command. From here select angle. Now select any two lines for knowing the angle between them. Suppose here I am selecting this line and this line. Here you can see the angle between these two lines is 60 degree. Okay, we have another command, that means DIMANG, dim angular or dimension angular. Select this command and select any two lines for knowing the angle between them. Here I am selecting this line and this line. You can see the angle between these two lines is 60 degree. Another example, suppose we need to know the angle between the lines of this plot. At first we are using MEA in keyboard, then select this command. From here select the option angle. Now select any two lines. Here I am selecting this line and this line. By this way you can see that the angle between this line and this line is 116 degree. That means 116 degree. Now we can use dim angular command, DIMANG. Okay, select this command. Here this time I am selecting this line and this line. By this way you can see that the angle between these two lines is 77.2 degree. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.